Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discussing with you how to use Iondrops Shower Head device. So, you might be wondering what is the Iondrops here and how do you exactly use it? So, the Iondrops Shower Head is a filtered shower head designed to improve water quality and shower pressure. Now, according to the official website, it uses advanced PP cotton filtration core to remove chlorine, rust, impurities, and what the company described as harmful minerals. It also uses turbo technology and micro nozzle technology to increase water pressure by up to 200% while claiming to reduce water consumption by up to like 30%. Now, the shower head has three spray modes here. They have power spray and massage, and the manufacturer says the filtration system is designed to reduce dryness, irritation, and leave skin feeling softer while helping hair feel smoother and shinier. Now, the built-in massage surface is also designed to provide a core or more relaxing shower experience. Now, how do you exactly use the ion drops here? So, to use the ion drops here, you first need to install it. So, installation is quite straightforward as well. So, you just need to connect the ion drop shower head to your existing standard shower base shower hose here, tightening the connection properly to prevent leaks. No tools or professional installation are required here. And once installed here, you want to select the power spray or massage mode depending on the type of shower you want here. As you can see right now, you can choose your option. Now, the website here recommends cleaning or replacing the filter regularly to maintain water filtration and water pressure. The official website currently lists the regular price at around $60 per shower head. So if you're going to visit that, but then again, they do sell it on a promotional price of $28 per piece and includes a 30-day money back guarantee. Prices and promotions can change here, so you may want to visit their website. Now, ordering from them is quite simple. You just need to click on the Buy Now button here and works like any other shopping experience online. So sometimes buttons may not work properly, so you may want to check that properly, which one would actually work. But yeah, now, since this product makes claims related to skin and hair health here, consulting a doctor or qualified healthcare professional is recommended, especially if you do have sensitive skin or if you have existing skin conditions or persistent irritation here, just to be on the safe side. But that's about it. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.